So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it.
Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you a modded version of the game Animals and Coins for iOS and Android and how to download it. So as you can see guys, we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you. As you can see, I'm not that rich, but press the button guys and you can add free gems. So I'm going to turn that up and let's see if our resources start increasing. So afterwards, I'll be showing you guys how to get this Animals and Coins modded version for your own phone, because I know y'all be desperate for that money and it's not very hard to see why. The game is not very cheap. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, the money and the resources should start increasing. And bang guys, as you can see, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and it works for Android, so nowhere is going to be found. Let's get down and dirty. Okay, so first thing we're going to do guys is go to the browser, and basically this is the website guys, matrixmods.com. So type up on the search bar Animals and Coins or find it, press download, and then the next step is the verification. So this is easy, it's 100% free. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so I'm just going to give it a second. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required. So basically we have to download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions to unlock the Animals and Coins mod. So for instance, Travel Town, it says reach level 9. So it's a game, so I could go ahead and do that. So that's pretty easy. I actually did this one. So yeah, you just have to reach level 9 on it. So make sure you guys go ahead and do 2 of these and you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, that's how to basically install the modded version onto your device. But yeah, super easy. So yeah, but yeah, make sure you do 2 of them guys, because some people only do 1. And that's like butt crack, like you have to do more than 1. You can see this one says reach level 13. So yeah, just make sure you do a couple of them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself guys. You can see this one is install and earn some points. But yeah, super cool. So matrixmods.com, that's going to be the website where you can download this Animals and Coins hack for your device. So if you guys are poor in the Animals and Coins, which you obviously are, then be sure to try it out. This is super cool guys, and it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. One thing is, make sure you got low power mode off. Very bad to have that on. But I'm going to see you guys in another video. So that's how to get Animals and Coins hack for your device, free money. So super cool guys, it fully works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you in another one. But yeah, super cool. So there's going to be tons of these apps. So I'm going to let you know right now, I live in the US. So if you live somewhere else, the apps are not going to be the same ones probably, but that's fine, because in the end guys, we're just trying to get the mod. We're not trying to be like copying each other with the same apps. Doesn't make a difference what app you do. But yeah, that's how to get the Animals and Coins hack for your device. So it works on iOS, it works on Android. So you guys are going to enjoy it. Trust me guys, it's super cool. And yeah, it's pretty wild. So if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe, because I'm always trying to help you out. So if you found something cool, drop in the comments and I'll make a video about it. But yeah, this is so crazy. So if you guys like Animals and Coins, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. But yeah, it's pretty wild. So just make sure you got that low power mode turned off. And also go to general and keep that background refresh turned on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.